Hello, my name's Martin Fish and this is one of the new lawn tractors that will be available from Cobra Garden in 2025. It's the LTX66HRL. It has a 66cm cutting deck which is in line with the wheels, which makes it really manoeuvrable but also easy to get through garden gates where space is a little bit limited. It has a Lonsin petrol engine, so lots of power there for cutting, and that's located beneath the seat just here. It has 6 different height adjustments ranging from 25mm on the lowest, so you can get a nice close cut. If you want slightly longer cut, it goes all the way up to 85mm there, so lots of adjustment with it. It's also got the collection bag at the back, so that is blown up into this collection bag. It's also got a mulch plug if you want to mulch mow, and this is really easy to empty. From the sitting position, you just lean back and lift that up to tip the contents out onto your compost heap. For where you want to cut longer grass, you can also fit a side discharge onto the deck just here, so that will throw the grass out there. So a really compact, powerful tractor for medium to large lawns that you can get just about anywhere. Using and starting the mower is really easy. We need to put the brake down, and then the throttle is here on the right hand side, so push it all the way forward and then we can turn the key, and when it fires up we can knock it back just off choke so we've got the right revs. And then when we want to go forward, release the brake and just push the hydrostatic pedal down. To put the blades in gear, while we've got the engine running, we just pull this lever back and you'll feel the tension as the blades engage and start to turn. So really simple. So let's give it a go and do a little bit of mowing. And there it is. This is a great little garden tractor, really compact, manoeuvrable, and because it's narrow, only 66cm wide, you can get between trees and through gateways, and it's still got the power of the engine, and of course it's got a good grass collection box on the back, which is very easy to empty from a sitting position. So what more can you want? Perfect. For more information on the Cobra range, go to cobragarden.co.uk.